So we're recording now.
And this should be recording on my microphone and on the GoPro. So we will see. This is like my fourth attempt at a vlog. Not sure how well it will work, but we shall see. Everything's pointed correctly. Camera's pointed up. Close garage door. So we'll see how this works. I'm pretty sure this is recording pretty well right now, but I don't know. So mainly I'm just trying to work out, see how well this system works. Just a GoPro camera, I'm going to be splicing with a cheapy Bluetooth headset in my helmet, and some recording app on my iPhone. So this is just my drive to work. GoPro 5, I believe I have. It's Sunday morning, June 2nd, 2018. It's actually kind of nice out this morning. It's supposed to be hot today, but it's not too bad right now. So it's a short ride to work. On weekends I do a little practice session. There's a office building on my way to work that has no cars on the weekend. So I tend to do some slow speed maneuvers in the air, figure 8 circles, weaving through some parking signs. I posted one once before, I believe, on it. This was quite a while ago. I think you had my voice on it from me just at the GoPro itself, so you can barely hear me. I've tried this setup once before. The biggest issue I'm having is the computers I have are not really made for audio, video editing, and stuff like that. I've got my laptop's just a Intel i3, just a little cheapy web surfing computer, and it just doesn't have the computing power to really do software or video and audio conversion, merging. It'll do it, but it takes forever on it. Well, desktops, AMD Phenom 2, like a 3.4 gigahertz overclocked CPU, but quad-core. But it's, gosh, 8-year-old, 9-year-old technology, and it's just, they can't handle processing videos. Even just regular video editing is not very well. When you start trying to add audio to it, it just bogs down. The time takes hours to do a 20-minute video. It's got an older, I don't know what the video card is. It's just not enough. So I debated looking at getting something newer, but kind of wanting to see physically how well I can do the audio, video editing. If it's a pain in the butt. Despite the time on my computers, I want to see if it's even something I enjoy doing, trying to get the audio, video merged. And I do have a fairly recent of Adobe's, I don't remember what the session's called. I got it from the Newegg for a sample review. It's the full software, but it's a review one, so I didn't pay for it. But it's supposedly pretty good, but I just have never messed with it, so I don't know how to work it. I almost feel this audio is going to be too loud, because when I'm sitting here talking to myself in my helmet, I definitely hear it coming straight back into my ears. but I'm not sure. Yeah, my ride to work is like I said, a 3-mile ride, 3.1 miles, something like that. There are days, if I try, I can actually get to work only shifting twice. I start out in second, and I've got lights and everything. I don't shift into third till I'm on this section of the road. And if I catch both the lights, I'll shift back into second when I turn onto the street at work, and then I'm there. So 3 miles and 3 shifts if you count from neutral into second. Yes, I leave my turn signal on all the time. I'm horrible about that. The ironic thing is my GoPro sits right in my field of view if I look straight down with my head like this into where my turn signal's at. So, little office park up here on the right is KD Medical Arts. This little doctor's office building. I do a little truck coming up behind me. Fun little couple of twists right here. Like I said, I just start doing weaving through wherever. Okay, just practicing my low speed turning. These are actually my easy slalom. One of these days I'm going to come a little earlier and bring a tripod and set some far off recording of me doing this. I'm kind of interested to see what it actually looks like from far off. Because I feel like I'm doing good, but there's a car in the parking lot. That's okay. It's not where I go. Yeah, like I feel like I'm doing well. But, I've seen videos of people doing stuff, and I'm like, wow, they're really good. I just don't know if I'm doing okay or not. I said, I know I've always got room for improvement. Everybody does, but yeah, see right here, so I'm going to get a little messed up getting back to that one. And there we go. Usually I mess up on that one. It's my first one in the mornings, and real tight. Don't tend to do as well on that. I think here my figure eights. First ones tend to be a little sloppy. Let's get back into the flow of things. Yeah, that's not very good. Try this again. My goal is within 2 parking places. Sometimes I can get it, sometimes I can't. Part of it is I'm at lock right now. Let me see right here. I hit lock. I'm at full lock right now. And I cannot get 2 spaces at full lock. So it's physically my bike that can't do it. I don't know if it's maybe if I leaned a little more I could. I did a couple of U-turn practices. Let's go up against the curb to make myself not go too wide out. I do that little dip. See, just not quite 2 spaces. It's always my goal is 2. Let's see right there, I'm just over that line. I really need to get some cones or go do an actual course somewhere. See if that helps me get any better with it. It's amazing when you actually look where you're going, it does go a little easier. Anybody dead in the car? Doesn't look like it. I'll do a couple of high-speed turnarounds. Get some nice little leans in. I always look around the parking lot before I do it, make sure there's not a bunch of dirt, gravel, anything like that. Usually there's not. Every once in a while I'll go find a spot that has a fresh oil drip or something like that. I try to stay away from those. Let's come back and do my slalom one more time. For some reason, coming back this way, I don't have as hard of a time. I don't know if it's because I've warmed up a little bit more, because usually I come back that way and go the other way first. And I'll do a couple of quick breaks, panic stops. Always try to get a little lock up to get used to the feeling of that. I still have not got my front tire to lock up. Back tire I do every once in a while. I don't purposely lock that back. I am just hitting it hard. That's all front. If I can get my front tire to lock up truthfully. Only a single caliper or single rotor front. Yeah. Anyway, that was a little practice I do some mornings. I think everyone needs to practice. Only makes you a better rider. I know I've gotten better from doing it. But anyway, I'm kind of done talking now. If this works, maybe it'll get posted. I don't know. And if it doesn't, then nobody will know I'm sitting here talking to myself like a fool. And if I did post this, and you did watch it all the way through the end, I don't want to sound entertaining because it was kind of boring, but this little posting of what I do, I don't know. Don't know if this is going to continue or not, but we'll see how much of a pain in the butt it is to merge this stuff. Yeah, because loading it up onto YouTube's not a big deal. Getting it all merged, I haven't had good luck with this so far, but I haven't really had a chance to play with it much. Oh, Steve's at work. It's another guy that's got his, is that a 16? I think it's a 16 Goldwing. He just bought it. He actually had a 12 or 13 Goldwing. Looked identical. Had like 70,000 miles, and he traded that one on the one he's got. He got a good deal, he said. His old one looks identical to that one, though. So this is my little private parking spot. It's not mine, but Steve parks there. Every once in a while, there's another guy that rides a bike. He'll park kind of to the side there. And there's one girl works here too that rides occasionally, and sometimes she'll park back here. Just depends. Where's my mark? Alright. So y'all have a good day. GoPro, stop recording.